Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back. As to is back at I mean, how you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2012 Kia Optima. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna do the alternator. I have a previous video where it explains what the alternator do to your car when it's not performing as designed. You know what I'm saying? So check that out. Okay, this project applies to from 2011 to 2015 Kia Optima. Alright, just so you know. Alright then, back to this. So yeah, we're gonna do the alternator. Alright. Before I get into the action, you know I gotta say it and I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel. You see it right below this video. There's a heart. It says thanks. Click on that so you show your love to this channel by contributing a little bit, you know what I'm saying, to this channel, so the channel grows and grows and grows 2 times. Alright. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Don't forget to subscribe for those that I didn't subscribe. Alright, like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Alright, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Hey, and thank you to all my haters. Thank you, I love you. Thank you for the hate. Alright, let's get it. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna disconnect the negative cable. There's a 10mm socket. Alright, we're gonna disconnect that. Okay, once we disconnect that, we're gonna do the belt. Now the belt right here, it has a tensioner, which is this one right here. Sorry, I don't want to give it like too much light because, hold up, let me show you. Not too much. It's that one right there though, that one. Okay, let me give you a better, let me give you a better angle. Hold on. Okay, this guy right here. Okay, this guy right here. What we're gonna do is grab the 17mm wrench, okay, and push it away, okay, like so, like that. Okay, once you do that, you can dismount the belt, you know what I'm saying, pull it to the side. Just do this one though, okay, so you don't have to like struggle trying to put everything, trying to put the serpentine belt like on each pulley and all that. Alright, we're gonna do that, and then we have this connector right here and the power, which is like right under it, okay, right here. Alright, now right here, this guy right here, we're gonna pry that because it's just a clip. Okay, then we have that connector, which is a squeeze it, okay, and then we pull it back. Maybe you don't see it though, but the nut that is right under, right below this connector, the nut right here, that's 12mm. Alright, I'm gonna pull it out now so you can see it. Let me get it for you right here. Okay, 12 millimeter. I did it with this type of ratchet and short socket, 12 millimeter. Alright, this is very useful. Alright, get one. It's like $20, Harbor Freight. Now here, this is 14 millimeter. Okay, 14 millimeter socket, and right below the pulley is the other one. Okay, let me see if we can show it to you. That one right there. All right. Okay. Now I use this one with the 14 millimeter socket to reach the one at the bottom. Okay, it is really good because it gets in tight places like that, and you give it a shape. You get a shape. You know what I'm saying? That's really good. Okay, now I lose the one at the bottom, so I'm gonna do it by hand. It might get hard a little bit, pulls. I'm gonna have to use that ratchet again just to loose it. This one came out already. It's 14 millimeter too, 14 millimeter socket. Alright, don't get it twisted. It's long too, pulls. We're gonna have to play with this. We're gonna have to lose that right there, 10 millimeter. So we can lift it and remove this bolt. Now we lose that guy and we can lift it, I guess. You see? Now we can pull this. You feel me? You feel me, dog? Alright. We still gotta remove the one at the bottom and the connector here. Connector right now it's being like a little difficult. So I'm gonna wait for it until the end. This bowl is being difficult too. But we got it guys, don't worry. I got you. There he goes, coming out. There you go. Looks like it's the same size as the other one. Pretty much. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I think I wasn't recording though. But the bolts are the same. Okay. Same length. So now the connector is still there because it's being difficult. And now we're just gonna pry this. I'm gonna pry it here, pry it down, up, down, up, down. We're gonna wiggle it until it come out. We have enough space here so it come out. We're gonna do it just like that. You see it? Alright. Now wiggle it up and down like I said. Now probably gonna have to like push it up. Alright. Like I said, we wiggle it like this. Then we'll push it up like this. It's ready to come out. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. Should be good to come out now. Now we wiggle it with the pry bar. Now is the time to disconnect this bastard. Okay, it's being difficult. So now you have a better angle. Okay, so I'm gonna do that with both hands. I need my other hand. So let me do this, please. Damn, that connector was a bitch. Excuse my French. Alright. Now we pull out this guy. You gotta find your angle now. Let me do that. I hope I don't need to remove the fan, but we'll see. So here it is. This is the original one though. It says Hyundai there. Alright. And let me show you the replacement. Okay. For the thumbnail. Now this is a new one. That's the OEM value. That's a part number 11493. It's kind of difficult to work with one hand, you know. Yeah, there you go. Front box. Thumbnail. This is for the thumbnail. And YouTube know it because they're gonna do the thumbnail for me. Alright. There you go. Got it? YouTube, you got it? Alright. So the way you put this back, it goes in reverse, you know what I'm saying? The same way you remove it, the same way you're gonna put it back. Alright? That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna leave it right there. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you have so if you have any questions, just put it in the comment box for me. Alright? Do that for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. You see the heart right below the screen, right there where it says stamps. Click on that so you support the channel by contributing to the channel, so the channel grows, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Thank you to my haters. And thank you for hating. And I'll leave it right here. Alright, catch me in the next one. This was 2012, but this applies for Kia's Optima between 2011 and 2015. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Catch me in the next one. Stool, purum. Yeah, man.